Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you download TikTok app. So this is the video for those who don't know how to download TikTok app. At first you need to go to your Play Store or App Store on your phone. After going to the Play Store, here you can see in the top left search for apps. Just click on it. Here you need to search for TikTok. After searching for TikTok, you can see TikTok app, and in the right install option, just click on install. After clicking on install, you can see the TikTok app is installing. So after the TikTok app is installed, just go back and just go to TikTok. After choosing everything, you can sign up for TikTok. So guys, this is how can you download TikTok app. If you are unable to download it, you can download it by using APK or VPN. So guys, this is how can you download TikTok app. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.